Imagine you open a beautiful shop, but no one can find it. This is what happens when your Shopify store isn't optimized for search engines. Search engine optimization, or SEO, acts like a map, guiding customers to your products. When done right, SEO can significantly increase your store's visibility and drive more traffic. More traffic means more potential customers, and ultimately, more sales. So, investing time in SEO is crucial for the success of your Shopify store. Let's explore some simple yet effective ways to boost your Shopify sales with SEO. Keywords are the words and phrases people use when searching for products online. Effective keyword research is the foundation of successful SEO. Think like your customers. What would they type into Google to find your products? Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords for your niche. Once you have a list of keywords, strategically incorporate them into your product titles, descriptions, and website content. This helps search engines understand what your store is about. Remember, choosing the right keywords can make all the difference in attracting the right audience to your Shopify store. Meta descriptions are short snippets of text that appear below your website link in search results. They provide a concise overview of what your page is about. Think of them as mini advertisements for your products. Craft compelling meta descriptions that include relevant keywords and entice users to click through to your website. Keep your meta descriptions around 150 to 160 characters to ensure they are fully displayed in search results. Well-written meta descriptions can significantly improve your click-through rates. By optimizing your meta descriptions, you can effectively communicate the value of your products and attract more customers. High-quality product images are essential for any online store, but did you know that they also play a crucial role in SEO? Image optimization involves using descriptive file names and alt text for your images. Instead of using generic names like image001.jpg, opt for descriptive names like red-leather-handbag.jpg. Alt text is the text that appears if an image fails to load, and it also helps search engines understand the content of your images. Use relevant keywords in your alt text to improve the visibility of your images in image search results. Optimized images not only enhance the user experience but also contribute to your overall SEO efforts. By optimizing your images, you make it easier for search engines to understand and rank your products, leading to increased visibility and potentially higher sales.